guys, we're back at it again with another video. Super excited to have you guys. And I have a bit of a surprise. So, now we gotta find the knife. No worries, no panicking. Be right back. Found it. So, really excited to show you guys what I have here. Okay. Came in handy. Okay. So, what could it possibly be? Okay, so you guys are seeing the Mactrem Tripod. Now you might be asking yourselves, what is this thing? Why is he buying a tripod? Well, I'll show you guys what we've been using for the past couple of videos and podcasts. You'd be surprised what we've been able to get away with when it comes to the tripod. But now that this is out of the way and we can actually focus on what this is, I'm super excited to be discussing this right here, because not only was it on sale, it was actually $69.99, but it got another $10 discount to $59.99. So it actually got 2 discounts, and I was able to get it on discount because it was on my list. It was on my list on Amazon, and they notified me, and as soon as I saw that, I was like, yep, definitely buying it. So got it for around $59.99. If I'm not mistaken, I might have got it for $54.99. Nevertheless, amazing deal for an amazing tripod. So we're gonna see it. I know the packaging seems pretty good, as you guys can see, but now we're gonna open it. So no tape required for this unboxing. Whoops, dropped something. Alrighty, so we have this right here, and okay, so we have some things for the phone in case you decide to record with the phone. So you have that. You also have a baggie. So the bag, it's pretty good. If you're just wanting to carry your tripod around. And some of the big reasons why we got this was because it was so small, so compact, and it was lightweight. Not just that, but it can also carry a lot of weight, and we'll make a separate video on why we chose this specific tripod and some of the perks. But this is just, again, an unboxing video, so you guys are just seeing the unboxing of the Mactrem Tripod. So just throw that there. This can sting. Alrighty, so everything seems to be looking nice and dandy. Alrighty. Guys, I'm pretty impressed. I already like it. It comes with a little toolkit that you guys can use to either tighten the knobs and make it better. Really nice tripod, aluminum build. It has a little rubber pad right there, and overall I just like it. I even like this red little knob right here on the side. It comes with, here, let's see it. Ooh, let's see. Oh, alrighty. So it's actually supposed to go like this, I believe. As you guys can see, I'm still figuring this out. Alrighty. Okay. So I've been able to get it leveled. You guys can't really see the top, but if we bring it down, you guys can kind of see what this looks like. It has a few knobs here. What I like about it is you can always pan, so it has the panning feature right here. It also has the little equalizer bubble, so you can check that out. Not just here, but it also has it here, let's check that out. I believe it has another one. Let me see. Oh, I guess not. I guess it only has one here. But it also has a tilt, so you can tilt the ball right here, the ball leveler, so you can do that. You can also, like I said, pan for a nice 360 panoramic if that's your game, if that's your thing. And everything seems to be great. This is a major upgrade because when it comes to what we had going on, and you guys will see it, it didn't compare to the build quality of this thing. Like I said, this is aluminum build, and it also has some pretty nice features. I love these. You can just open and close. So much more convenient than the twisting and the pushing into motion that you do with other tripods. Another cool feature that I like just right out of the bat is, I don't know if you guys can see it, but here we go. You see this thing in the middle? Let's try to open this up. There we go. So this actually has a hook, and what the hook does is you can put some weight on your tripod in case you have a lighter camera, such as the one we use, Panasonic G7, or if you just don't want the people, if someone runs into it, it can, hold down the fort. So definitely, you can put your backpack on it. I've seen a lot of YouTubers and people that review this do that. So we'll definitely try that out, and I'm super excited to see the different types of, just photography that we'll be able to do with this thing. Mostly videography. One quick side note before we end this small review is they actually have a knob on the top that keeps the plate in check. So the little knob, right here, keeps the bottom plate that goes here, your tripod, pretty secure. And we see the little M right there, for Mactrem, I'm guessing. Nice little addition there. And it seems like everything's pretty secure. This is also made with really good material. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with the build quality of this thing, and we finally have a pretty good tripod. I'll still be able to play around with this thing for a while now, and definitely excited. So we'll definitely be having a full review of all the perks of this thing, a little bit more detail, specifics, but this has been the unboxing. Thank you so much for tuning in. This has been the Mactrem Tripod. Thank you very much. You can always find it on Amazon, and I'll actually put the link in the description. So you guys have an amazing day. Thank you for tuning in, and this has been Unboxing.